This actually all changed in the last couple months, and it's a really exciting time because for the first time in Q1, a majority of top of funnel search has been through an LLM enabled interface, so like ChatGPT or AI mode from Google. And now the ability of AI to help surface the right travel options for a guest who's searching with these tools is better than ever. So they're really using it. They're building whole travel itineraries. And the opportunity to show your properties and drive direct bookings is higher than it's ever been before. And it's a really new and exciting way for guests to find what you're offering. AI loves to read the details of what makes each individual home or rental property different from one another. And so if you do the work to organize that information, it's now moved beyond the hype phase, and it can actually impact the amounts of direct bookings that managers are seeing from their direct channel for guests using AI to find them. Yeah, so I've said this a few times, but I started in the hotel space. Nobody built a hotel, and certainly nobody started a property management company because they love tech and they wanted to spec technology, right? It's exciting when that tech is in service of better hospitality. I think that we're at that inflection point for guests, at least where we work, in how guests want to find options and plan their trip. It's a really great experience that's moved beyond like a traditional Google search bar that allows them to plan the whole trip and find the properties that are perfect for their stay and their reason for travel. It's just a question of whether or not people on the other side of the table, the property management companies and hoteliers, can make that information available to the AI and let it do its work. We start with the premise that the best travel advisor in the world is already in your pocket. It knows a lot about you at this point. It can connect to your calendar and it can connect to your email, which is all brand new technology that's changed this. And the job that we have as a tech supplier is helping people and helping our clients to show that information to the guest who really wants to find the perfect fit for their stay and the travel that they're planning. Yeah, so the most important thing is that you can affect it today. You can start investing in technology that will help you drive direct bookings. It'll reduce your reliance, hopefully, on the OTAs. It'll shift share from your competitors, and it'll help you find guests who love what you have to offer. But it is actually a really technical problem, and there's a couple of vendors out there working in the space. Find someone you can trust, find someone that you really like, you want to work alongside them, and have them help you make your information available, because this isn't as simple as setting up a WordPress website and waiting for Google to index you. This is actually something that requires a fair amount of technology to reach AI with how it reads the internet. It's a little bit different than how a guest reads it, and relying on the same technology that you would build to have an awesome guest experience is different than using technology that allows a guest using AI to have an amazing experience finding your properties and booking them. And so you want to find the right person, you want to work with them, and you can start working on that technology now.